Well, it's Advent, and I have myself my Advent calendar. So let's open it up. One-handed knife use. Lovely. Get in there. And today is the 1st of December 2021. And here's number 1. So this is a build your own synthesizer electronic sound advent calendar. I mean, you know, it's got me written all over it, right? I will try and get my kids interested in this as well. They were more interested in, I think one of them got a lint calendar and the other one got tea because they like different teas. What do we got? We got a battery box, an LED, and a button. Okay, so I'm gonna need 3 AAs. Now, do they have, because they've got parts, I guess it's gonna be like one of those old many in one science kits. So day 1, behind the first door you'll find a green LED and a battery hole for AA batteries. Take 3 batteries and put them in. There's no resistor. First experiment you light up. They can never be connected in power supply, otherwise it'll be destroyed. However, they come with an integrated series resistor. Oh, do they? How would you tell? Is there anything special about this LED in terms of its... This might have to be an under the microscope jobby.
We got it under the microscope. Oh, first you'll notice background is different. Since we are planning on actually changing our space, the tool wall is in storage. Though luckily all my favourite tools are in the toolbox next to me, so I can still get to them for building robots. Robots like this one and stuff like this, coming in a video near you soon. I don't know. Anyway, right, what can we see? I mean, I wonder if it's these little crimps along the side that makes it different. But let's get a bit closer. So I'm going to have to go in close, and then we'll have to focus that microscope again. Oh, hello. There it is. There's a black dot on the side. But I mean, other than the black dot and those crimpy wiggly bits, it just looks like a normal LED to me. And if I'd have, put one of these in my collection, as it were, of LEDs, I don't know the difference. I think this bears some internet digging. A search of the web shows it is a thing. And look, we've got one from SparkFun here. Let's have a look at that one. So 25 pack. You don't need to worry about adding a resistor to this LED. I can't see that there's any physical difference in terms of how it looks. I mean, you can see in that breadboard it doesn't need one, but if this made its way into my normal kit, which eventually it will, I don't know how I'd know. Okay, interesting to know they exist. Funnily enough, I mean, I'd try out an LED normally with a resistor anyway, but okay. I guess if they come out really much more dim than another LED that's supposed to be of the same type, either they're really ancient ones or they're one of these.
I mean, I'll take their word for it. Do you know, I did not know that was a thing. But okay, you know what we can do? We can get a multimeter and measure that. Okay, I'm going to put it on the 200k range. And let's get this teeny tiny LED. Oh goodness, maybe I need a tripod. we'll put a multimeter next to it. There we go, let's put it like that way up. So, one side I'm expecting it to be an open circuit because it's a diode, which it is. Okay, but if I reverse it with any luck, oh, that didn't work. Why did that not work? Okay, let's try. We've got a diode test thing here. Oh, diode lit. Okay, well that's something. I don't know how we'll test that there's an in-series. I thought we'd be able to just use the series resistor test, but maybe it just doesn't put enough voltage through to tell you to actually to make the diode conduct. Okay. Back with a vital ingredient. Let's not let those touch, that would be bad. And got red one here. Oop. Red one, black one. There we go, it's lit. Okay. I mean, it's not the most exciting of experiments, but it is something. Now what I'm going to do here, for safety's sake, is I'm going to pop one battery out, just to reduce the chance of shorts. And I'm going to pop these components, especially the easily lost tiny ones, back in their box. That's cool. And I'll pop the extra battery in here on the side where it won't short. And very, very cool. We got the LEDs. Oh look, bright LEDs can damage your retina. I have never seen that before. I mean, it doesn't entirely surprise me, but it's never been a problem for me before. I'm sure I've been mesmerised by bright LEDs more than once. So we've got what looks like a cool case here. And that looks like some speaker holes as well. Scissors to cut them out. Very nice. Well, enjoy.